Man, pulled over first day with the scrims, bro. Look how many deep they are.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. I'm in this bitch.
In the El Billy's parking lot, waiting to buy some big shrimp.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. On El Leche?
This nigga fucking her, wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why that bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace T. Fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in records, I fuck with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Fuck it up. Get in records, I fuck with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. That's what you never gonna club. Play your home, invite me to the club. Put your sex and don't try me, girl.
Your Farrell, brody. Had some shit on there, man. Yes, sir. Got a scrim. Got to celebrate by getting some Billies. Fucking. Damn, the bitch is hard.
I got a ice on me super silly. Fathers came in off a hunt. Yeah, my niggas still tripping for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas.
Got them things offloaded. That Leche finna be sitting right with them things. Gotta wait to get adapters, but y'all won't see this video till day. I already put them on. So, in this video, I see this bitch looking right. Look, he gave us looks and everything. What a G.
Put that on Lacey. Extra 20 horsepower.
Extra 20 horsepower. What it do, brody?
Fuck, man. You got one size bigger, bro. And I don't know if we got one size.
Under construction, eh?
To bolt the fucking jacks out like this.
Yeah.
Let me get that fucking shit done.
Let's do it. Man, just put that jack on top of the brake.
Got two of these motherfuckers, bro.
We don't wanna be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, to me that they probably clapping. Hey, hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. On the gram, I got fans and they love me. On the gram, I got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking her. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why that bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace T.
Man, we just left Street Kings, man. Got the lugs, man.
Motherfucker said, put
On
some
a
Loctite on them motherfuckers.
on a motherfucking mission tonight. Got that bag secured, you know. That Leche finna be looking right in this bitch. The fuck you doing? The first star has come off, man. What? Yeah. Well, that's what it's gonna look like. But motherfucker, if it's not one problem after the next, man. The fucking original fucking studs are too long, so man, we're gonna have to chop that on a mission. How many Ugga Duggas should one lug have? About 13 Ugga Duggas?
Honestly, go until that bitch don't spin no more. Go until she starts spinning again.
So you know she's fucking tight, huh,
that
bud?
righty tighty, that righty loosey? Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
That's how you know you got that bitch right when it's righty loosey.
Yeah. Hey.
No, it becomes righty loose.
It becomes both Lucy. Right Lucy, right? Left
right
Lucy?
loose, left loose.
Still not fucking on the truck, cuz. We tried, but these mother ran into our little problem, which is you see these this pointless piece of metal right here. It just makes it too long for the fucking adapter. Till tomorrow, huh?
I might as well add a little bit of 1/4 inch spaces. I'm already gonna have 3 inches plus in the front.
For sure.
With them fucking spindles, my tires are already sticking out of my fenders. The back still tucked in. I might as well get some 1 inch for the back. No, real talk though, bro.
Some 1 inch what?
Some 1 inch spaces for the rear, bro.
Just get 2 of them for the rear and smack them.
Why would I just get 2 and just get like some 1/2 inch for the front 1/4?
But we going race.
You think 1/4 inches will cover that shit? I think it should.
If not 2 of them.
We're gonna tell them, be like, we're gonna bring a jack, we're gonna go check it in the parking lot right quick. If they not coming back right there, return.
Big Ethan. I'll make sound effects with your face. Like, doo-doo-doo-doo. You gonna be doing spins. Join the truck group.
Like little Dave, join the truck group, bro.
Join the truck.
Don't.
Go on, Rich, we're just sticker though. Hey, I'll blow out your face. Can't even see it. Look at the fluff though. All big whaling. Gotta get the races out before the big setup, you know. Think y'all LHA finna catch that dub, brody?
I don't know, but we gonna see. 4-2 versus 4-2.
That little Toyota light.
He got that little yin yang 4-2. We got that good American.
Bought a Yoda versus the Chevy. This is a big street beefs in Church Point. LHA finna race after this. Y'all do the 3 honks for him?
Yoda gone.
The Yoda's in front. Catch up with him. Oh, the Yoda winning. Damn. The Yoda put the hurt on Ethan.
Knowing damn well this bitch about to slip.
The big lean back long bed, you know what's going on. Big Ethan took that big loss.
That bitch been slipping. I done said that.
You said that boy at Applebee's? They got traffic.
I don't know what You ready?
The Yoda do be undefeated.
On 3.
Hold up, catch up.
Catch up. On the 3rd horn.
Catch up.
The 3rd horn.
Nice. Yo, next day, getting spaces. Went to CarQuest, they only had 1 pack, so we're going to Napa across town. They about to close, so we on a big rush. Napa coming clutch. Advanced Auto Parts came in clutch. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man, is that the same piece of duct tape?
Oh, yeah. My bumpers fucked, my fucking everything. That ain't gonna be much, don't know. I'm gonna put them adapters on the rims and adapters at the same time.
You getting her up there, bud?
People want me mad.
Oh. He is the D. Get some of the spaces, because the studs is too long. It's gonna do us right. Big Ethan.
It's not gonna rub, bro.
Let me hit that. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Well, I don't want to hit it, but that's fucking crazy. The 1/4 inch spacer is enough that it makes these not poke out, and the setup's going on tonight, boys.
And they'll go right on my truck.
Hey, Gavin, turn that down a little bit, bro.
Turn the music down a
You're
little
gonna
bit.
get Chandler copyright.
Yeah, gonna get us copyright. Oh yeah, they going on tonight, baby.
Oh yeah, babe.
Yes, sir. Got them bitches on. Fuck yeah. Give me the front.
Got the first one on. Got them adapters. Finally coming together, boys. That's one wide bit. Wood stance. Get at me. Two. Yes, sir.
Later, bro. This is the first day everything is going phenomenal.
Down duplicate.
Boy, look how that stands, boy.
Down.
Put that on the cracker, dude.
Oh, damn. My legs are killing me. Damn, I stood up too fast. Feel fucking gnarly.
You just took a whip, man.
Oh, what? Still going down.
That bitch wide.
Oh, damn. I slipped all up in the mud. Watch. Man, smacking the back on right now. Then we're gonna go wash this dirty bitch. And
Definitely gotta get some clips tomorrow.
we're gonna make a fire edit of you washing this bitch.
Yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna have to get some
For
edits.
sure.
every day.
Some big rollers. For shizzle my nizzle? Man, I like that head.
That's mine, dude.
Is it really? Got all ready for you. Godly shit right here. Ooh, baby, she got stance. She's on there. Yes, sir. Man, she's finally done. Finally done. Here's the fitment. She fits good. Man. That's fucking money, dude. This bit look fucking crazy, y'all.
Definitely need a nice wash.
We about to go wash it, get a good detail. Oh, that's how she sits, boy. Holy shit. Yes, sir. Bro,
What the fuck did we do?
what did we do? About to get this bitch looking right, nice and detailed, you know. But this bitch a big unit now. Holy fuck. Let's roll that motherfucking montage, baby.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass,
Man, pulled over first day with the screens, bro. Look how many deep they
Got a
are.
whole unit.
Dude, another one. Oh my god. Holy fuck. In the lean back long bed with the stance, dog.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got